All right. Hey, Mama Lynn.
Hi, Perk.
How are
What's
you?
up?
You know, April Fool's Day is coming up.
Oh, yeah.
Can you give me a safe way to prank somebody with their car? Safe way.
Oh, fill it with toilet paper.
Or you can do my idea.
I like it. No, Caitlin, no. Sugar in the gas tank. That's not safe.
No.
I don't think Allie, because she
Huh?
participated.
What happened?
What?
Hey, Jess.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Hey, give me a safe way to prank somebody on April Fool's Day with their car.
Saran wrapping their car shut. I've done that.
Ooh, we have saran wrap.
I did it to my brother. It
I
took him
like
a couple
it. I
hours
like
to get
it.
it unwrapped.
All I know is I'm going to be watching you two in the next couple days. Caitlin, what's going on?
It's working.
No.
You can ask me the question?
Yeah, tell me how to prank somebody on April Fool's Day with their car safely.
Keying it.
No. You can't key some.
Telling someone your car is keyed without actually
Ooh,
I've done that before.
she said, or that.
your car is not really happening.
That's a let. Thank you, Caitlin.
Yeah.
Dino,
What's up?
how are you?
I'm great. I'm staying hydrated.
There you go. There it is right there. Question for you.
Talk to me.
I need a safe way to prank somebody on April Fool's Day when it comes to their car.
Safe way.
Safe way.
Ooh, bring them a fake service bill.
That's great. Oh my gosh,
Bring 'em
that's
a fake
good.
service bill.
Oh my
Give them a
gosh.
list of everything that they need. Watch them sweat. Walk away, come back, and just say, April Fools, I'm kidding. Not
That's
wrong.
it.
Bing.
That's the one.